Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Humpty Dumpty 2. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, today I wanted to talk about health benefits which are important for any new immigrant who is coming to Canada for the first time. What are the important things that we took care of while we were planning our travel to Toronto? How did we manage our health insurance? And once we were here, how did we take benefits like COVID testing, and what is our plan on future healthcare benefits. This video is going to be all about this, so if you're interested to know all this information, then make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm sure it's going to be really very informative to you. Alright then, so let's get started. So guys, just to share one thing with you, right now I'm standing at Humber Bay Shores, and from here you get the entire skyline view of Toronto City. So right there, you'll be able to see CN Tower and all the big skyscrapers, and the entire skyline view is visible from here. And this is the Humber Bay Arc Bridge, which is very popular, and you would have seen in a lot of Canada pictures on the internet. So we are standing here, and fortunately the day is good, it's sunny, so a lot of people are here riding bicycles, taking their pets out for a walk, and themselves maybe going for a jog and run, and it's really pleasant to sit here. So we sat here for 2-3 hours, had good time, and now here I am recording some information for you guys. Alright, coming back to the topic, one more thing guys, after our quarantine we took the COVID test just to be 100% sure if we are negative of this corona COVID. And you would be glad to know that this COVID test here in Canada is absolutely free. You can simply go to that website. I'll put the link to that website in the description box and also in the bottom in the video somewhere. And if you just log into that website, you will be able to book a COVID test for yourself. So they have a lot of slots available. Even today, if I want to book something for tomorrow, I'll be able to get a slot easily, and for day after it's going to be very much easy. So you can do that. If you're not able to book it online, then you can also call the drugstore and you can book your appointment on call as well. So it's quite flexible, and the best part is it is absolutely free. So before coming to this place, we got our COVID test done, and I'll put the video clips in this video as well, where you can see it's a very simple test. Just it takes 30 seconds for one person to get the test done. They'll put the swab in your nose and they'll take the sample, and then you will get the reports, I think in 4 to 7 days. That's what she mentioned. And once the report is ready, they give you a call on your number and you can collect the report. So when you come here, initially you have a mandatory quarantine, and then till the time you get your bank statement, you will not be able to apply for OHIP card. So what do you do in that case? So in that case guys, please get a private insurance done from your country, so that for some time when you're here, I would say get it done for 30 to 45 days, so that it covers you. You have your medical insurance available with you, and in any case if something happens, then you are covered and you are safe. Let's talk about this in more detail.
So guys, we use this website, that is visitorsinsurance.ca, to explore all the medical insurance, all the private medical insurance which was available, so that our medical insurance was covered for initial 45 to 60 days. So I'll leave the link to this website in the description box as well. So this is the homepage of the website, and here you can fill in your basic details. I'll quickly give you a walkthrough of how you can fetch different quotations which are provided by different companies. So this website is kind of single point where you can find different quotations which are provided by different companies, different private insurance companies, and accordingly and wisely you can choose one for yourself. So here you can fill in your basic details like how much benefit I am looking at. So I've just put $100,000 for now, and then start date, when are you planning to start your insurance and when are you planning to close it. So let me keep it for 2 months. Let's say it is going to be 10th of February 2021 till that time. And would you like to cover a stable existing medical condition? So I'll say no here. The coverage is subject to policy limits. Please read your insurance policy for all terms and conditions. So no is basically if you're already suffering from some medical condition. So in my case it is no. If you have something already, you can say yes, and then you can get the code. So this is basically important to provide the information, because if you already have some medical illness, then your insurance coverage coverage and all the facilities, and the price for that insurance is going to vary based on what you select here, yes or no. For now, we'll go ahead with no, and I'll click on get quote. So as soon as you click on get quote, it will open a new page where it will show you different quotations provided by different companies. For example, the first one on the top here is Destination Canada. This is because it is sorted by lowest first by default, and it is providing details like what are the benefits provided, what is the limitation, and then based on whatever premium you pay, how much will be deductible. I'll come to this, but before that, let me show you what are the quotations provided by the other different companies. For example, this is Destination Canada, like I mentioned. This is To Go, then this is Blue Cross, this is Manulife. By the way, Manulife is one of the top insurance provider, and this is like one of the best that they say in the market, and this is one of the most expensive as well, just for your information. And then there are others like 21st Century, Alliance, and all of that. So the list goes on. You can just check out for yourself. We'll quickly look at one or two. So the first one here is Destination Canada. So if you see here, the premium value is here, and then how much amount will be deductible is here as well. So for example, if you pay a premium of $121.5, then amount deductible from your whatever the bill is going to be $0. Basically 100% is insured. If you go for $109.35, then you'll have to pay $250 from your pocket, and rest of the things will be covered, and accordingly they have put all these details. Now benefits are also included here, like there will be assistance center, ambulance transportation, then emergency dental will be covered, accidental dental will be covered, prescription drugs will be covered, and all of these things will be covered. These will be the benefits provided. And then what are the limitations which are mentioned here as well, like deductible amount as per the claim, whatever it is. Then waiting period for illness, you will have no waiting period if purchased before arrival. So before your arrival, if you purchase this plan, then there will be no waiting period. 48 hours if purchased after arrival, for age 0 to 85 and all of that. So this plan also varies with age depending on what the age of the person is, and accordingly the prices are listed here. Like you saw on the home page, right, there was an age filter which I selected, right? And you can also go into more details, more info, and pre-existing medical conditions, all of that. You can read that based on whatever company you want to go ahead with. So for example, To Go is charging $161 for zero deductible amount, which for Destination Canada on the other hand was $121. And let's take one more example for comparison. Like Blue Cross is $134.79 for zero deductible, and let's go to Manulife, which is the most expensive. Like I said, it is $171 for zero deductible. So based on this, you can decide which insurance provider you want to go ahead with, which suits your requirements and budget and everything, and accordingly you can choose a plan for yourself, because you would like to get covered for initial 60 days, right, till the time you're able to get your OHIP card. And if you ask us which insurance provider we went ahead with, so guys, we went ahead with Destination Canada. We took our private insurance from Destination Canada for 2 months, so that was the cheapest, and it was also covering like maximum benefits for us, so we went ahead with Destination Canada in our case. Well, you can also do your research. You can even click on these red buttons for each of the companies, and it will direct you to their website. For example, let's click for Destination Canada and click on buy online. So that link directs you to the company's website, whatever insurance provider you opt for. For example, I clicked on Destination Canada. So here I am, Destination travel website. So here on their homepage itself, they're asking you for a few more details. You can fill in your details and click on next and complete this basic questionnaire, and the query will go to their team, and the team will get in touch with you, and they will send their own codes to your email ID, and accordingly you can speak to them and get your all questions clarified, and accordingly you can pick the provider for yourself. So you can raise it, I think, for 1 or 2 providers. That's what we did ourselves. We checked with 2 or 3, like we checked with Destination Canada, we checked with Alliance, and we checked with Manulife also, but we went ahead with Destination Canada. Like I said, it was the cheapest, and it was covering like almost everything for us, keeping in mind that COVID test, which people are scared of at the moment, was free in Canada. Treatment was free, and even the test was free. Now the rules have changed. If you're traveling anywhere outside Canada, then you have to pay for the COVID test. So during our time, it was completely free for that also. But I think from 11 December, they have changed those rules. But if you're living in Canada and not traveling, then the test is still free, and the treatment is free, of course.
So to get this OHIP card created, you will have to visit Service Ontario centers if you are in Ontario, and for that they will ask you for your address proof. So for all the immigrants, the best address proof is the bank statement, which gets generated after you create an account in the bank. You activate the account, and after whatever the cycle is, whenever the statement gets generated, you can use that statement as an address proof, and you can take it as a document to get your OHIP card created at Service Ontario centers. These are the important things that one should take care of, because health is really important, and if you don't have medical insurance or if you're not covered, then healthcare really costs a lot here. It's very, very costly. So you will have to think and plan your things in advance. That's about today's video. I hope you found this video informative and it would help you in some way if you're planning to move to Canada yourself. Well, if you enjoyed watching this video, then do give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then guys, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Stay tuned to our channel, and we would also love to hear back from you. You can